Dave here in the Weather Center. Happy Wednesday evening. I'm recording this just before 8 o'clock on Wednesday evening. So again, if you are watching this much later tonight and you catch this on social media somewhere, just keep in mind, I recorded this before 8 o'clock at night. I'll give updates on our digital channel and on air online throughout the rest of the evening hours tonight. But wanted to tell you guys what we are looking at this evening. You notice we've got one cluster of thunderstorms that we're watching across Indiana working towards our area. Now, I think it's going to be more of a heavy rain threat than anything else with these thunderstorms that we're watching, but there is the potential of seeing still some gusty wind thunderstorms moving into our area later on this evening and into the overnight hours as we get closer to midnight. Now, the second cluster of storms that goes across Missouri and central Illinois, this has been the most severe part of this line, is sliding off towards the east-southeast this evening, and that would take it more towards the Cincinnati metro as we get closer towards about 11 o'clock and midnight tonight, and may skirt our southern counties, the south and southwest part of the states into the southeast part of the states. There is a little bit better instability to work with in those parts of the state right now, so there is some reason for concern. We're going to keep our weather alert going through the rest of the overnight hours tonight, but again, notice where we've got the worst of the weather right now, that's the moderate risk area, level 4 out of 5. You can see I've left all the thunderstorms on in here. The stuff across Indiana that I circled is mostly 3 or level 2 out of 5, and that includes us. We're also under the slight risk. One of the other things that we are looking for tonight is we are under the risk for excessive rainfall. You notice we're under the slight risk for that. I think, again, that is going to be the main threat overnight tonight, is some of this heavy rain working into our area. And not only heavy rain, but just moderate rain for several hours. So we will have updates throughout the rest of the evening and overnight hours tonight. I'm not going anywhere tonight. We'll have updates on our digital channel coming up at 9 o'clock tonight and on our website, nbc4i.com/live. You can check in with us coming up at 9 o'clock. We'll have updates at 11, and I will cut in on air and online as needed throughout the rest of the night. But if you do have to get out and about, just be aware of wet roadways, some ponding, and then the windy conditions coming in for Thursday. That will start to dry us out a little bit later. Check in with you guys a little bit later this evening. Stay safe, everyone.